Welcome back, everybody, to Top Mug. I'm your host, Jason Catalano, and on this channel, it is our mission to make your menu in minutes with a mug for muscle. And for today, we have another variation of the Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookie mug treat. You can once again find this product over at your local grocery store, Safeway, Walmart. They all carry it. It's for $4 for 4 packs, so it's about $1 per meal, okay? And for today, we're going to be replacing the matcha green tea in the base recipe with this, the Amazing Grass Superfood Greens Mix. And the reason why we are going to use the greens mix particularly is that Amazing Grass is about $30 somewhere on Amazon or local grocery store for about 30 servings worth. But what you get in this is you're going to get a tremendous amount of packed greens, especially with probiotics, enzymes for better digestive health. You're going to be getting your fruits and veggies with your dessert. How does that sound? Sounds good to me. And so with that, this is the Betty Crocker Amazing Greens version. And with that, giddy up.
I'm just good at caring too much.